What's the deal with contagious yawning? Let's find out why you can't stop yawning when someone else does. Yawning spreads because of mirror neurons, special brain cells that help us mimic others' actions. They're linked to empathy and social bonding. Studies show that we're more likely to catch yawns from people we're close to, like family and friends. Even animals like dogs can yawn when they see humans do it. Another theory? Yawning helps cool the brain and increase oxygen flow, which might explain why it spreads in groups. Fun fact, even just hearing or reading about yawning can make you yawn. Did it work on you? Follow for more fascinating brain science facts.